The B Pro Mix.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know who it is here, Baby Mirror here. So today is an interesting day because I'm gonna be big chopping my goddamn hair. Yeah, so this is my 5 months post transitioning my hair, and like I'm really tired. I need my natural hair and the coil, the frizz and all those stuff. So I am really ready to finally chop up my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna comb my hair. I think I need to take off this. I'll split my hair into 4 pieces. Oh my god.
If you don't give me time, I can see that you don't love me. If you don't give me time, I can see that you don't want me. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby. Yes, I know where we at, huh? It's cool, it's cool. Guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, it's cool.
I have my spray bottle here. Of course, it's just water inside, and then my shea butter. So I'm going to begin the process. Yeah, so I'll take it from this part first. So I'll comb my hair. The only way I'm going to determine where my split ends are and where the natural hair is to apply water. I think it's wet enough, so I'll apply the shea butter. And you see, the difference is damn clear. This is my natural hair, and this are the damaged parts. So it's as simple as that. My scissors. So I'll start chopping it off little by little. My hair.
If you don't give me time, I can see that you don't love me. If you don't give me time, I can see that you don't want me. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby. At least I know where we at, huh? It's cool, it's cool. Guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, it's cool. Guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, it's cool. Just don't blame me for no fool. It's cool, it's cool. Go find you some other dude, huh? Girl, what happened to you and me? home ways, stuck in your whole ways, thinking about old days, again and again. Memories start to play.
Oh my God.
The past is the past, today's a new day. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? It's cool, guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, just don't play me for no fool. It's cool, go find you some other dude. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? I ain't stupid, shawty, I can take a hint. You ain't tell me nothing, so I know what you meant. Each relationship supposed to be 50-50. All you did was take, give me. I could really tell that you wasn't really in it. I think you be forgetting, you ain't the only girl in this world. See, I hate wasted money, and I hate wasted time, and you can't play with mine. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? It's cool, guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, just don't play me for no fool. It's cool, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? It's cool, guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, just don't play me for no fool. It's cool, go find you some other dude, huh? Girl, what happened to you and me? I had really thought that we were meant to be. Wasn't thinking about right now, I was thinking forever. You and me, girl, the two of us together forever, whatever. You went your own way, stuck in your whole ways, thinking about old days, again and again. Memories start to play. The past is the past, today's a new day. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? It's cool, guess I ain't the type of dude. It's cool, guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, just don't play me for no fool. It's cool, go find you some other dude. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached. I gave you my time, but you ain't give it back. But it's cool, baby, at least I know where we at, huh? I ain't stupid, shawty, I can. It's cool, guess I ain't the one for you. It's cool, just don't play me for no fool. It's cool, go find you some other dude. I gave her my love, but she ain't give it back. Yeah, I caught feelings, started to get attached.
God, how do I look? Oh my God, time to do the final trimming. Oh, so guys, this is the finished look. Like, don't tell me nothing, you know, just tell me it's good because it's popping, you know, it is. So guys, please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for joining me big chop my hair. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.